On August 30th, 2024, a Davenport Police Department officer noticed a concerning situation. A woman, appearing to be under the influence, caught the officer's attention as she approached the street. The individual stumbled into the roadway just as the traffic light switched to green. The officer recognized the woman from previous encounters and believed her actions could pose a danger. Her apparent intoxication raised immediate concerns about her safety and the safety of others.
Linda, come here. Come here.
Why?
Because you're blocking traffic. You blocked all of 3rd Street.
They let me cross the street.
No, they didn't. We had to stop because you're in the middle of the road. Come here a second.
No.
You're not free to go.
Why am I?
Because you made all traffic stop.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
They cross the street.
We were going to go, and you're walking in the middle of the street.
You saw me, and they saw me.
Come over this way. Come over this way. Yes.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
You are. You blocked the street. You don't have the right of way.
They cross the street. I know these people. They let me across the street.
Come this way for me.
No. I want to know why.
Because you blocked the road.
I did not.
Yes,
they
you did.
let me cross the street.
I was one of the people, and I didn't let you cross.
Oh, they did. So that's not my problem.
What do you want today?
I'm nothing. I'm actually a pretty good person.
Okay, let's come back up here for a second.
Nah, I don't want to. Am I gonna go to jail when I go up there?
I don't know. I'm trying to.
Okay.
I don't know that you're safe to be out walking around. You're on the corner dancing around, acting weird.
I love to dance.
And by dance, I mean you look like you're on drugs or alcohol.
Oh, well, they talk about that. A lot of people. But they were good people.
And that's fine, except you're in the middle of the road and then you're causing.
I know. I'm sorry. I didn't think I would.
Would you like to take a PBT? Have you been drinking today?
Earlier.
Okay. You want to take a? Do you want to take a breathalyzer? See where you're at. You want to take a? Huh? You want to take a breathalyzer and see where you're at?
What?
Hey, hang tight.
I don't want to.
Hey, hang tight. Come over here.
Thursday.
I'll take another car down here. 17. Hang tight. Come over here. You're not free to leave. Hey, come over here.
You see me every fucking day.
I know. And today I think you're a little bit much to be out and about.
I don't care. I'll go to sleep. I'll leave.
Okay. Up
Don't
again.
put me. No. Why are you gonna arrest me today?
You're under arrest. Stop. I don't want you to get in trouble.
What? Oh my God!
Because you're out here under the influence. You're walking in the middle of the street. You're blocking traffic.
Third day. I was not blocking traffic.
Then if you're going to be this way, then go find somewhere private.
You won't let me.
Don't walk.
You're arresting me.
Because you're in the middle.
What?
Disorderly conduct, blocking the streets. Okay.
Oh my God.
And public
really?
intox.
Okay.
Okay, let's go over here.
Charge today. This is really getting serious.
Hey, let's come over this way.
Law. I'm breaking the law.
I know you are. That's why.
No, I'm not.
That's why I'm stopping.
No.
Okay. Hey, go and have a seat
Where's
for
them
me.
boys that shot that little boy?
Hey, go
Where's them boys
go and have
that
a
shot
seat
the
for me.
other boys? Joe!
And have a seat.
No!
You're going to get interference. Then you really can't bond out. Sit down.
Why you arrest me the 3rd day?
Because you're drunk in public.
No, you're
I can
up.
smell it on your breath.
So, thank you. 3 days in a row, you're the only extra one that saved me.
Gotcha.
3rd day, Melinda Sue went to jail. That's called something.
You can discard the other car.
Somebody's watching me.
Okay, 10-4-10 name.
Melinda. No.
Here's the team. Is that disregarded? Is that disregarded by 4?
I watched what you guys did. Somebody gets something out of the computer, but you guys don't. He's the one that arrested me last night. There's something that comes out of your computer right there. I want I want a copy of it.
I'm at 3rd and Scott.
No. Yes. I want a copy. Yes. I want a copy of the arrest before, now, 3 days ago. 3 days now. I want a copy of every charge.
Okay.
No, I'm for real. You got a body cam, right? I want charges. Huh?
No, just Melinda's drunk.
I am not drunk.
Melinda, relax.
No, I want...
You're okay.
Hey, listen, you're the second person I told. I want the last 3 charges. I want copies. Photos, reports.
See ya.
I'll go to sleep. Thank you very much.
All right.
I want reports every last 3 times I went to jail. I want the reports.
You have a phone number currently?
Badge numbers? Yes, I do.
Yeah. What's your phone number? Okay.
So you... Oh, go ahead. What was I doing? Oh, well, you got to give me the last 3 reports since I went to jail. I'm asking you with your body cam. Huh? Body cam. No. I'm not, no. Is it on? I'll ask my Aunt Chris. Stop it. I did nothing to no one, but you guys came back to get me 3 days? 3 days in a row? Could you guys not do something bigger? So, and my grandpa and my grandma, my Aunt Chris, here, court clerk, 3 days in a row? That's kind of fucked up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they chose me. I'm suing you.
You can go in to school.
You guys are so fucked up. It's so fucked up. No one remember me today. This is fucked up 3 times.
Time for dinner, so you get some food here in a minute.
You.
Chill and hang out if you'd like.
No, you. That's wrong. It's so wrong. Why am I back here? I did nothing wrong. Now I'm going to stop it.
Seatbelt here. All right.
Don't touch me.
I gotta lock this door.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm telling you.
Good thing is you're in time for dinner, so you get some food here in a minute. You can chill and hang out if you'd like. I'll get the seatbelt here. All right.
Don't touch me.
I gotta walk through the door.
No, don't touch me.
Stop.
Don't touch me.
You know how it
I'm
goes.
telling you. Stop touching me.
Because if you fall, you can't catch it.
Stop touching me.
Let's go over here. As soon as we get settled,
I
let go.
don't like you. Leave me.
I just talked to you today and you're decent.
When I get in here.
I don't do
Stop,
that.
bitch. Stop touching me.
Okay, let's come
Tell me
on.
stop touching me.
So let's go over here.
Over here. I know where I go. Mom. I go over here.
I know, but you're getting a little bit
No, I
ridiculous.
don't like you because you keep harming me. I don't like you. 3 days in a row.
She was taken to the Scott County Jail and booked on charges of public intoxication and disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.